So Tina Price, I'm cheaters because we handle cheating. Once in a cheated like siba wrong of this, like siba wrong so much that like Pele u decide ba ngoku like xa ujola ufuna ujola nalo uyaziyo ba abazomthatha kuwe. That's why the hot man is taking a loss is there. Ifuna le iyabonakala ba seyisukujitela ifuna lo angazoxuthwa kuwe. Nakumbra kwenzeka loo nto leyo mfethu. Chitelwa Brian ndagowa ndazixelela babanyile. Banyile. Ngoku ndizazisplitela lo ndiyaziyo uba akazuthathwa kum. Ajolane nyiwe engekwazi uthetha. And that was the happiest relationship ever. That was the happiest relationship ever. Because hot man, amatshera ayathanda uthetha. But lowa ongasoze umbone ethetha. Soloko sigalela ngezandla zakhe xa. Happiest relationship ever. But then the relationship began to bore me again because mna ndingala matshera athandayo uba makakhale man getting sex. Mandive uba le nto ndiyenza kuye imvisa kabuhlungu but uyayithanda akafundi iyeke. But what I loved kulo mntana was the effort ayifakayo hot man because she put a lot of effort into doing zonke izinto azenzayo. I remember this one time ndibhizi ndibetha ngoba kam ndaphelelwa ngumdla laa mntana wabona uba ndiphelelwe ngumdla and wayazi immediately uba it's because yena kancini wenza i-effort laa mntana wancina ngezandla. While I was busy hitting it, yena she was busy doing this. Papa, you guys do it double.
I remember that weekend that she told me about it, and then I became emotionally damaged. Not a major. But I know she never changed. Depending on what you're about, we all talk about each other. And then I told her anyway, but you're not yet the pope. How I was interested. She couldn't joke. And now that relationship was the happiest ever because I'm not sure I had to tell her. But no one almost was connected. So long as the line is and now the relationship started to get boring because I'm not doing sex. And now she wasn't making any sound. But what I loved the most about her was the effort. The effort that she made, man. This one time, I was busy hitting it. And she noticed, but I'm slowly losing the interest. And she definitely knew it was because she wasn't lonely. When the effort laudana, wakuna nezandla. While I was busy hitting it, but she was busy doing this. Baba, you guys, thank you for your time.